Welcome everyone. In a changing world where new threats are constantly emerging, the U.S. Air Force was once committed to developing a sixth-generation stealth fighter jet. However, with the recent announcement by Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall that the next-generation air dominance NGAD program is being temporarily paused, many are wondering, is this the end of us air dominance? One meme circulating in defense circles is that recent conflicts have shown that modern air defenses are too lethal for manned platforms and that drones could replace the mission entirely. But is that really true? Here are 5 reasons why the U.S. Air Force should not give up on NGAD. 1. NGAD is the future of air superiority. NGAD is designed to replace the F-22 and enable us air dominance for decades to come. With advanced avionics, sensor systems, and unmatched electronic warfare capabilities, NGAD is ready to take on threats in the most dangerous airspace. Not only that, but NGAD will feature a new power plant that supports long-range, fuel-efficient, high-speed cruise. The platform will serve as a command center for other unmanned systems, acting as a quarterback for unmanned systems teams and other airborne effects. 2. Manned aircraft are still needed. Modern air warfare requires flexibility and the ability to adapt quickly. Drones may excel at single missions, but they are no substitute for the real-time decisions of an experienced pilot in an intense electronic warfare environment. The more complex the mission, the greater the need for a manned platform. Only a manned platform can respond to rapidly changing circumstances and make critical decisions in the midst of combat. 3. Drones aren't all they're cracked up to be. While much attention has been paid to the potential of drones, the reality is that they have yet to prove themselves in real combat. With increasingly sophisticated air defenses, drones may not always be effective and are often expensive to manufacture. Iran's airstrike on Israel, which resulted in the downing of over 300 drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles, is clear evidence that drones still have many limitations. The key question is, where should the most advanced and extraordinary capabilities be deployed in drones or in manned aircraft? 4. Sixth-generation arms race. Other nations such as the UK, Japan, Italy, France, Germany, and China are already advancing their sixth-generation fighter aircraft. Without NGAD, the US could fall behind in this race, threatening its air superiority and national security. Programs such as the Global Combat Air Program (GCAP) and the Future Combat Air System (FCAS) demonstrate that other nations are not giving up on advanced fighter technology. If the US were to abandon NGAD, it would lose its position as the leader in military air technology. 5. US military aircraft industry. The development of NGAD is critical to maintaining a strong military aircraft industrial base in the US. The technologies and innovations resulting from NGAD will strengthen the US's future aircraft design and production capabilities. Some of these innovations will even be transferred to the commercial aircraft world, providing broader economic benefits. Investing in NGAD will ensure that the US continues to have a strong and competitive military aircraft industry. So, does the US Air Force really want to end NGAD and cede air dominance to another country? Or will they continue the program and ensure that the US remains at the forefront of military air technology? What do you think? Should NGAD continue or will drones suffice? Leave your thoughts in the comments.